Samsung's next-generation foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is making waves in the tech world once again as fresh leaks reveal exciting details about its design and specs. With CAD renders surfacing online, we now have a clearer picture of how this flagship device is shaping up ahead of its official launch. If these leaks are accurate, the Z Fold 7 could be one of the thinnest and most premium foldables on the market yet. Straight ruler ultra-thin design redefining foldables. According to a recent leak from SamMobile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature an incredibly slim profile, measuring just 4.54 mm when fully unfolded. This is slightly thicker than an earlier rumor, which suggested Samsung was targeting an even thinner design than the 4.21 mm Oppo Find N5. While the Z Fold May 7th not quite reach those numbers, it still promises an exceptionally sleek and comfortable to hold form factor, making it an attractive choice for foldable enthusiasts. Samsung appears to be prioritizing portability while maintaining durability, ensuring users experience a streamlined, premium feel without compromising sturdiness. If these reports hold true, we may be looking at Samsung's most refined foldable phone yet. Desktop computer bigger and more immersive displays. One of the major upgrades expected with the Z Fold 7 is its expanded screen size. Reports indicate that mobile phone outer display, expected to measure 6.5 inches, making the cover screen larger and more practical for everyday smartphone use. OpenBook foldable inner display, Samsung is reportedly increasing the main foldable screen to 8 inches, offering an even more immersive experience for users who rely on their device for work, media consumption, and gaming. Counterclockwise arrows button wider aspect ratios. Both screens are rumored to adopt a wider aspect ratio, making content easier to view and enhancing multitasking capabilities. These improvements suggest Samsung is actively listening to user feedback, refining its foldable lineup to deliver better usability, more screen real estate, and greater visual immersion. Camera revamped design and camera setup. Samsung seems to be leaning into a boxier aesthetic, as leaked renders showcase a sleek, squared-off design with flat edges. This modern, refined look is expected to complement the phone's ultra-thin profile, making it both stylish and ergonomic. As for the cameras, the Z Fold 7 will reportedly feature a triple-lens setup, protruding slightly from the thin chassis. This suggests Samsung is continuing to improve its camera technology while adapting to the constraints of the foldable form factor. Additionally, a real-world image of the Z Fold 7 has surfaced via Duct Weibo, as reported by NotebookCheck, appearing to align closely with the CAD renders. If the image is accurate, it offers an early glimpse at what Samsung has in store for its premium foldable experience. Calendar expected launch and availability. Samsung has historically launched new foldable models in the summer months, and this year seems to be no exception. According to industry insiders, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are set to debut this July, following Samsung's usual unveiling schedule. This aligns with previous Fold series launches, reinforcing the expectation that Samsung will officially introduce its new foldable lineup within the coming months.